Okay guys, so I just got out the shower. I'm about to put my hair in a low bun and then just be my face because you know what? I'm bored. Shower, just wash my face. I use the daily facial cleanser. It's the clear one, not the gentle one, which is like, it's like a whitish residue thing. I don't know. And I'm just using my Untitled moisturizer. This is like the best moisturizer ever. Okay, so now I'm about to do my low bun, which basically I use the Eco Stock. Okay, so now that I did my baby hairs and I did my slick bun, I'm gonna add in the olive oil styling smoothing. Guys, this is literally holy grail. I'm gonna add it to the pony because when this dries up, it's just gonna get really like raggy. I don't know, it's not gonna be cute. So I'm gonna add in products, get that nourished a decent amount, and just rake it in. Last but not least, you gotta seal this all together. So for all my habeshas, you know, you can use a shash, any scarf for your hair, or you can use a do-rag. I use a do-rag because, you know, something about a do-rag just makes my hair, I think it's the satin, it just makes everything secured. You know, niggas wasn't lying when they said they get the waves with that. It's very true, very true. So yeah, let's wrap it up. Then I'm gonna start on my face. This process is taking so much longer, guys, I swear. I just finished my face, and guys, okay. Guys. What? You guys, hello? Look at this, Okay, it's not a lot, but hey, the do-rag, it does it way better, it sticks it way better. I need to like finish when you put it in the wrap, and then you need to like blend in the forehead. That's exactly what I'm about to do right now. Should I record this part? I'm done. I need to leave the house. So last but not least, you know, you gotta add the little makeup setting spray. What is this? This is Urban Decay. Okay. What the hell? Okay. I just thought this was cute, you know, or something, you know. Hey guys, hey y'all. Okay, the finished look is here. Honestly guys, I feel like I need to redo this video, like probably show you guys in an actual more formal matter, which is not being rushed, like actually explain what I did. But for the curls, they are still drying, so I'm pretty sure that they'll be a little bit more defined. You know, I don't know what's going on right now, but other than that, all the products that I used are literally the same. I use the same. I'm literally the type of person who doesn't like to try new things. Once one thing works for me, that's what I stick through. So just to show, my foundation that I use is Makeup Forever. This, holy grail. For concealer, NARS. For powder, Sacha Buttercup. For what was I gonna say? For mascara, I use the drugstore L'Oreal Voluminous, you know, the gold cap, and then this, and literally that's all the things that I use. I use the same thing over and over again. I don't really like to switch things up just because I just don't like to. But for the lips, honestly, I really don't even like this. I don't know why I did it. I was just bored. I was like, oh, let me put some gloss and lipstick, mix it together. But it's fine. I'm gonna keep it. I lied, I had to take it off because I really wasn't messing with it, and you know, if I'm already not messing with it now, I'm not gonna mess with it an hour from now. And when I'm editing, I'm gonna be like, you should have just took it out. So okay, basically I'm gonna go pick up Mahalit. It's just gonna be another schmegler day under quarantine, but we're gonna leave the house. I know, bear with me. We're gonna, you know, wear our gloves. I already got the masks and everything, so we're just gonna do some grocery shopping and chat your guys' ear off, you know. It's 8 o'clock. Oh my god, literally everything. Oh, hold on, just missed a call. Hey girl, what's up? I'm actually, huh?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, are you in the middle of it?
No. I'm cool.
Okay.
Okay. So short, I literally have to pull my seat to the front. Okay. Let's start this freaking day. Guys, it's taking forever. Oh, but I have to. Do you guys ever do that? Like, you need a song to listen to before you even start the engine, because that will set the vibe for the rest of the day. Everyone listen to my cousin drop 2 singles. One of the songs that you guys will obviously listen to on our previous vlogs, and it's called Grindin'. Guys, it's a banger. And I'm not just saying that because he's my cousin. Really, it's a banger. Like, I've just been replaying that shit over and testing. Okay. Do you guys feel the vibe? Alrighty, let's go get the other students, girl. Okay, 3 hours later, let's start. Okay, maybe I should not do that. Guys, I have not driven in so long. Like, after Barcelona, I feel like I had to reteach myself. Hey. Okay.
Hey y'all.
Okay. Take the wheel. Woo! I'll take the wheel.
Take the camera.
Who is this? About to go grocery shopping, because that's the only thing that we can do right now. But lighting, like the lighting, does it look bad?
That's too red. Honestly, it's better like this.
Ooh.
Okay, maybe when we get out of these treats.
Like, how are they out of everything? This is what I came for.
Hand
What else?
sanitizer, disinfectant wipes.
We forgot our masks.
We did forget our masks. That's okay. It's
Oh my gosh. As you can see, this is our first time shopping at our local store under quarantine. Oh, you speak English?
yeah, y'all. It's gonna be a little bit complicated, but we're gonna make it work.
Okay, let's do this.
Yeah. Oh god.
This is so much. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, what's our... I didn't even bring my phone. I don't even know what I'm supposed to get. Do you have your phone?
Yeah.
We'll call Ruth.
Sorry, cuz.
No, ma'am.
All right, cool. All right, y'all. So, welcome to Winko. Let me
Our
just give
local
y'all.
grocery store that we go to for literally everything. Have you guys been dealing with like missing just the freedom of doing whatever you want? Like the little things, going to the store, going to your friend's house, going to your nigga's house. Like, how do you guys deal with this?
The other way around too.
Yeah.
Like, I just feel so like,
Grab this one.
yeah. I'm just so tired of being at home all the time.
You know, either at work or
Work or home, period.
literally.
There's no in between.
Guys, like, think about people who are actually dealing with depression and who can't, like, who need, you know?
Yeah. The people who need to
interaction.
leave their house. Exactly.
Yeah, like this is.
But yeah, definitely. People who like feel like they need to be outside, like it's just so easy to get in such a like low place when you're at home all the time, you know?
So like one advice I could really give is honestly keeping yourself busy. So
Yeah.
hobbies, shows and all that, but to an extent you'll get bored of that. That'll
And
run out
yeah, no. And not only that, all that action on a TV show, like you're like, well damn, I wish I was doing something.
Exactly. Oh my gosh, yeah. For like good like if you want to, like I've been going through my Snapchat memories to like make myself feel like I'm, I guess, out or like but then that probably makes me sad.
No, but like, you know, I feel like you watch it to be like, I used to be out and I will be out, so it's cool.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And keeping faith that we will be out of this.
Yeah. Don't count the days.
Don't count the days. Can I just have a big chili inside?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like you don't ever want to just be like, okay, well it's day like 59.
Yeah,
We've been
definitely
59 under. Yeah, no, that's not good. But you guys, the days are mushing together. Does anyone know what day it is today?
No. Oh, 24.
Oh, see, you're better than me.
Oh.
The numbers are done.
Oh,
I'm talking about the day of the week.
I have Friday. That's
Yeah.
only because we were just thinking about that the
Yeah.
other day.
We
We
were
were like,
just
oh yeah, Friday. Well, when I was doing my face, I was like, oh my god, I'm going to Shoko tonight. Like, oh, Barcelona. Pause. No cap. I thought it would be so much more awkward, like, you know, vlogging in public, but like,
First of all, you're the goddamn person here.
Yeah, no. Everybody's minding their business for the most part.
No. Okay, cheese.
People too scared to look. COVID. She got COVID.
Honestly, low-key all of it. I think we're done.
Seriously?
Yeah. Do you want to go get a donut?
Oh, I got a little bone to pick with my cousin. The other day when we went to go get Heavenly.
Sorry.
And we went to go, don't try and run now. We went to go get Heavenly, cuz.
Yeah.
That white paper bag.
Uh-huh.
Remember I ran out the car because I had to use the bathroom. I went home.
Uh-huh. Who ate it? Who ate your donut? Because you left your donut?
I left my donut in the car 4 days ago.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you. I did eat it. Because I did eat it. I did eat your donut. I'm so sorry. I had it. I had it alongside my 2 other twisty donuts. Okay, can we pause it?
Friendship.
That wasn't that bad.
It wasn't.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Not a lot of people.
Right. Very slow.
Very slow.
Yeah, it was cool.
I love that. Oh my gosh, I love that the ends and the guy was like, oh,
No, that was
I know he didn't know who the fuck we were.
Right.
But it was like,
can I get in y'all's vlog?
cute, you know?
Go
yes,
ahead,
you can,
sir.
you know?
Absolutely.
Add some excitement to it.
Yeah, no,
But
that was cool.
deadass, it was cool. We're about to go back to the crib, about to cook a little bit. Well,
Oh, shimmy.
she's gonna cook and
Yes.
I'm gonna clean.
Us and the sister. Yeah. We're doing salmon tonight?
We're doing salmon tonight. Salmon, asparagus, and
Whatever else we find.
Yeah.
We'll do something.
Yeah.
Yeah. First grocery shopping
This
trip.
is our first time, yeah, because usually we have our parents do it.
Exactly.
So this is cool. We definitely didn't have all of our utensils, but hey, the gloves definitely, that was number one. We wiped everything.
Yes.
We're about to like wash your hands and all that when we get inside.
For sure. We made sure to, like sanitize everything before we came in here and started touching shit in the car.
For sure.
We gonna be alright.
It's just so weird. I feel like I'm living in like a twilight zone. Like, I'm like not able to do the normal things, you know? That.
Oh, your hair looks so good. Thank you.
Oh my god, that was cool. The do-rag. I told y'all. Do the do-rag. I did tell them.
All the way from Barcelona.
What song gonna play on her? But I was telling them because on my way driving, I put on Grindin' from Sami, so we gotta do a song.
Oh.
What song do you want? Should we take it to New York?
You know what?
Say
Listen.
that.
This is what I didn't say that.
Okay.
This is what we should do. Since we're up and coming video creators, I feel like we should listen to and play up and coming music creators.
Do you have one in mind?
I sure do. If you could go to the album, what was that album called? It's by DJ. It's a NOLA artist.
DJ Major!
Mr. DJ Major.
Yes!
Go ahead and play our favorite track on that album.
Shout out Dave.
Shout out Mr. Dave.
Okay, I got you. Hey, I like that. Let's literally, yes.
Yeah.
That's what we, yes.
That's cool.
Okay.
This way we won't get copyrighted.
Period. This is and we're out. Wait, let me start the car engine and put my seatbelt on.
Fed on the beat, no money, been ballin' for a quarter, yeah, shout out to God. You got a nigga and I got a bitch, don't be running your mouth, don't be telling a lie. I said they fight when I
was just about to say, I did not even do this on purpose. I swear I did not put Bobby on purpose. Wow.
Hey, hold on.
You know everyone fucks with Bobby Friend.
Hey.
Are you kidding me? Oh, I hate when people do that. Hello?
Hey, I met Lil Mama in the deli. Hey,
She was a wedding.
Hey, she was on it. Ready.
I was on it. Heavy. Check why you so sexy. I love she met me. Ex come check me. All the shit get messy.
I met Lil Mama in the deli. She was on it.
What are we doing?
I feel like I had.